Good morning, ma'am, and hello, my dear friends. I am Shikha, and my roll number is 5532. Today, I present my assignment of harmonic analysis. So, let's start with this theorem. Let f belongs to L1t such that f cap 0 is equal to 0. Define f of t is equal to integration 0 to t f of tau d tau. Show that f is continuous 2 pi periodic and f cap n is equal to f cap n divided by I times, and n is not equal to 0. So in this theorem we will show that f is continuous 2 pi periodic and f cap n is equal to f cap n divided by I times. Now proof. Firstly we will show that f is continuous. Now let epsilon greater than 0 be given, then for t greater than s, f of t mod of f of t minus f of s is equal to mod of integration of 0 to t f of tau d tau minus integration 0 to s f of tau d tau. Now combine the limits is equal to mod of integration s to t f of tau d tau, and this is equal to less than epsilon integration s to t f of tau d tau. As f belongs to L1t, there exists integer delta, this is greater than 0, such that integration s to t f of tau d tau less than equal to epsilon whenever mod of t minus f less than delta. Thus this is show that f is continuous. Now we will show that f is 2 pi periodic. So we will show that f of t plus 2 pi is equal to f of t. Now consider f of t plus 2 pi is equal to integration 0 to t plus 2 pi f of tau d tau. Now separate the limits is equal to integration 0 to 2 pi f of tau d tau plus integration 2 pi to 2 pi plus t f of tau d tau. Now this is equal to 2 pi f cap 0 plus integration 0 to t f of tau d tau. Now this is equal to f of t. Thus we show that f of t plus 2 pi is equal to f of t. Thus f is 2 pi periodic. Now we will show that by random Nicodim theorem, f is differentiable with f dash t is equal to f of t minus f of 0. Thus f cap n is equal to integration 0 to 2 pi f of t e minus iota n t dt 1 upon 2 pi. F cap n is equal to 1 upon 2 pi integration 2 pi, 1 upon 2 pi is missing, as 0 to 2 pi f of t e minus n t dt is equal to 1 upon 2 pi integration 0 to 2 pi f of t d of e minus n t divided by minus iota n. This is equal to 1 upon 2 pi f of t exponential is minus iota n t divided by iota n 0 to 2 pi minus integration 0 to 2 pi exponential of iota n t divided by minus iota n f dash t dt. This term is from u into integration of u into v formula. Now 1 upon 2 pi 1 upon iota n integration 0 to 2 pi f of t exponential of minus iota n t dt minus f of 0 integration 0 to 2 pi e minus iota n t dt. Now thus this is equal to 1 upon iota n f cap n. Thus we show that f cap n is equal to 1 upon I times f cap n, and n is not equal to 0. Thus this proves the theorem. We will show that 3 terms. Now these are some references. Thank you everyone. Thank you.